Hi guys, good morning. So update guys, aalis po kami Monday early in the morning and we are going to the vet para ipadala itong stray cat. She is crying. She's so hungry. We don't feed her because she's going to have a surgery today. So kaya hindi namin siya pinakain kasi it's not allowed. And I feel so bad guys. I feel so guilty kasi we take her, we feed her a lot, and then suddenly hindi namin pinakain. So that's the problem, and I feel so bad, and I hope he will survive, and I pray to God that na maging okay ito siya kasi talagang I'm just sad for her, and I really want this cat. I know she is in bad shape right now. Let's go. I'm waiting for Tommy, so I'm going now. Yeah, Tommy's here. Tommy's here. So we're going to give to the vet. Okay, open the door. There, open the door. So yun siya. You want to drive? Okay. Ikaw niyo. What is it? Here. I know she want to eat honey. She keep licking her chop. So that's it guys. Let's go. So balita ko kasi guys. At luckily I put the dry food outside for the other cat. So hi guys, so tapos na namin guys, dinadrop na namin yung pusa at pagkatapos nito is magpunta kami sa bangko kasi we need to put money in kasi we owe a lot. So ang mahal-mahal ng vet, ginastusan talaga namin ito. I don't know if I told you, we have to keep her. It's a she guys, you know, so huh? What happened? Guys, nagbagyo na dito guys. Nag-ulan na. Kusog ang lakas-lakas ng ulang. Basang-basa si Tami. Kawawang Tamimoy. Lala. So, basang-basa si Tami. Biglang umulan. Kalukuhan ito. So, anyway guys, andito kami ngayon sa bangko. Punta kami, nagdeposito si Mister kasi kailangang i-deposit ang iyang sweldo. Para naman mabayaran namin, nag-start na siyang magbayad slowly. Fully paid na niya lahat-lahat para naman dire-diretso na kasi. Ang lucky guys, as in masakit sa bulsa talaga siya, pero yung pusa, if you see her, she is very cute and I hope she will survive talaga. But anyway, yung ulan is sobrang lakas. Nag-ulan na guys. Ganun. Hintayin ko lang dito si Tami. At gusto niya magpunta sa saan ba yun? Sa Bee Gees. So I'm going to stay in the car. Hala. The cloud is really dark. Guys, uwi na kami guys. Giti Kalibanga ako guys. Kalibanga as in Demirian guys. Kalibanga guys, diary. I really want Tommy also to stop here, but maybe later I'll go get some arugula extra kasi.
Well, we can come back later. We gotta get the cat later anyway.
Yeah. And it's really pouring. Grabe, the cloud as you can see guys, the cloud, it's ridiculous.
Not really pouring.
So hi guys, update. Andito lang kami sa bahay ngayon. Kunin namin yung pusa mamaya, pero alis kami dito ng maaga kasi magpunta kami sa Pitco. So hi guys, we are going to go to Pitco first for stuff for that little kitten, and after that, after Pitco, we're going to get a towel, more towel for her kasi she need more towel, and we are going to, like this area we can buy towel very cheap, like $4.99 for a towel, but they're not good quality, but it's okay, it's for the cat. And yeah, and then pick up the cat. You hear that?
Yeah.
What is that?
Berries.
Okay, let's go. guys, nakabili na kami nito. Oh. Bumili kami ng carrier. Oh, luckily Tommy has a white knife. He has all knife in the world. Yep. So yun siya.
Yeah, but I don't know what's going on because we just thumb screw, so it's fine.
You know? Tumawag yung vet. Sabi na akala namin meron ng emergency, wala pala. They just inform us that we can pick the cat up and stuff. So yun, bumili lang kami ng mga kailangan guys. Bed. Now we're stopping to get some towels. Ang dami pa rin uod. Hindi pa rin nakuha. So, konti lang pala yung nakuha nila guys, pero meron pang mga natira. So, maging malinis na ito after everything. Yan siya, kawawa guys, gutom na gutom. Nakakawawa. So, hi baby. I know there's no food yet. Ang mahal ng bayad nung first day, pero hindi nila kinuha yung nuggets.
You okay? I know you're hungry. When they're done, we come back, we'll give you food.
Hi, baby.
Okay? So you just top up. And after today, it's just healing. No more procedures. This will be the last one. Okay? You can handle it?
Be strong.
You're a tough little girl. You can do it.
After that, you have all the food in the world.
Well, not all the food in the world. We'll make sure you eat properly.
Yeah, she's listening, honey.
I know.
Hi, baby.
And we know you're afraid.
She's starving too and in pain.
I know you're hungry. I know you got pain. I know you're afraid.
Poor little girl. Yeah, there's a lot of people. So, anyway guys, good morning. Ako na lang dito sa bahay. Umalis si Tami. Kaninang umaga, sobrang aga. Nag-alala kami sa pusa na aming inalagaan kasi wala siyang lakas, walang appetite sa pagkain, wala lahat at ayaw niyang gumalaw. Talagang nakikita mo na parang nag-give up na siya. Sa mga lahat ng ginagawa namin, parang nag-give up siya. Pero nung nasa labas siya na daming uudan tiyan, yung infection na yung buntot niya, lahat-lahat yung tiyan niya, infection at saka yung buntot. Parang very fighter siya guys. Pero this time parang nasobrahan ata sa medication. So, nagluya siya. So, kaya, yun, dalhin namin last ngayon sa vet hospital, sa animal hospital kasi ako na lang yung magdala kasi they need to do something for mga infection, mga anti-whatever, kung ano yung mga nilalagay nila. And they want us to keep coming back. And Tami said, this is gonna be the last day for bringing her over there. Pero, tara. So, hi guys. Kanina pa ako dito, no? Naglinis, nagputol ng damo. Halfway na ako, pero pumasok muna ako dito. At sobrang gutom ni Inday Mirian. At yun, iniwan ko yung pusa doon guys. Umuwi ako. At alam nyo ba na kinakabahan ako ngayon? Parang may something na nangyayari. Parang sobrang down ko na hindi ko alam yung naramdaman ko. So, nag-alala ako sa pusa. And, yun, kunin ko mamaya mga 4 o'clock. So, dapat matapos na akong mag-cut. At, yun, makuha ko yung pusa guys. I'm nervous. For some reason, kinakabahan ako. Sana okay lang yan siya. At inasikaso ko lang yung pusa. At yun siya guys. At andun siya sa taas. Ito pala yung painkiller niya guys. Pinadalhan ako ng painkiller. At ito siya. Ibigay ko to 5 days. Okay, so wala ako masyadong video. Dahil busy po ako. Kakarating ko lang guys. busy ako, nagkat ng damo, at saka nagpunta ng vet. Kinuha ko yung pusa. At ngayon, andito na siya sa bahay. And, yun guys. So, yun lang yun, ako lang isa. At, nakakasad kung yung magganito ba, andin wala si Tami. Nasad ako. So, sad ako ng isa kahit. Hi, baby! Look, ang dumi-dumi dito, but it's okay. This is his, uh, hindi pa niya, ayaw niyang magamit nito. Yun. So, hi, baby! Hello! Gusto niyo makita, guys? Hello! Come on. Come on. Hey, Josh! Hey, Josh, hey, Josh. Okay, let me close this first. Let me do this, okay? Let me do this. Hold it first. Hold it. Hold it. Puro buto siya guys, no? At dahil po yan, nandun siya sa labas for how many months at gutom. Yun. So, yun yung rason kung bakit he is very like buto-buto na lang, as in buto na lang talaga. As you can see. Kung i-feel niyo siya, as in buto na siya. At yun, wala talagang kalaman-laman. So, kaya mamaya, I'm gonna feed you again. I'm going to put spoon in your mouth.